Ruby Roo here, and I'm back ready to fill my brain with some fun new facts, thanks to the magic wheel, of course. Are you ready, Ruby? Let's do this. Oh, there it is. Time to spin. I love art. This is amazing. I love making things way more than breaking them most of the time. What's this? It looks like we have a jug of water. We have some food coloring. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plastic cups and some paper towels. I guess the magic wheel thinks we're gonna spill some water, doesn't it? Well, we'll show it. Make the water walk? Ruby, I'm not a magician, and that sounds like magic. What's that, Ruby? You think you know what to do? Okay, little buddy, you take the lead. Okay, let's see. Fill 4 of the cups with water. Not all of them, Ruby? If you say so, little buddy, let's count out 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now to pour in some water. There. Okay, now to add the food coloring. What do we have here? Purple, red, blue, and yellow to the cups. You got it. Here's blue. And red. And yellow. And lastly, purple. But, how do we make purple again? That's right, mixing red and blue together. So we'll add a little bit of blue first. And a little bit of red. And voila, purple! Okay, the red and blue, it's not mixing very well. I just wish, Ruby, that I had a spoon to mix it. Thanks, Ruby, you're a real pal. Okay, red and blue, stir it together. Voila, purple. Okay, you want me to put the empty cups in between the full cups. All right. Ta-da! It's kind of like a rainbow, almost, but with bits missing. I mean, if you really think about it, you would have orange, green, and indigo, but they're not here. All right, next step. Fold bits of paper from the paper towel roll into bridges and connect the cups. I guess the paper towels weren't for mopping up mistakes after all. Whatever the magic wheel says, okay? I'm gonna fold it hamburger style, and then again, and one more time. And fold it down like this, and put it into your cups like a little bridge. Paper towel bridges are absorbing all the water, but I don't think that counts as walking water. What now, Ruby? Aw. Wait, but for how long? Hey. What is it? Whoa, we did it! I mean, look! has moved along the towels into the empty cups. And the colors have even mixed to create new colors. Amazing! This is just like magic. Oh, you're right, Rubit. It's not magic, it's science. Well, join us again next time, friends, for even more learning